yon. Happy Mother's Day, Lola Mami, Lola Mama, Nanay Iyang, Lola Ina, Lola Rosie, Lola Flora, Lola Nanay, Lola, and of course my Tita Dinah, Tita Aina, Tita Len, Tita Ninang Che, Tita Nancy, Tita Ninang Helen, Tita Ninang Shirley, Tita Lina, Tita Ale, Tita Alice, Tita Leng, Tita Obet, Ate Angel, Ate Andrea, and the most important person in my life, my mama. Happy Mother's Day. Yay! I love you all even if I can't remember some of you. Because I was like 2 years old today. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Mabuhay ka, Mommy. Mahal kita and mahal ko kayong lahat. Happy Mother's Day. Yay!